Ladies and gentlemen, this next artist that I'm about to bring on stage, him play a, yo, you see Little John, him play a big role in your life. Allow me to tell, because the man and the artist here, him play rhythm, him sing, yo, well, I don't have the adjective to describe. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and welcome reggae superstar all over the world, Mr. Leroy Sibbles. Sibbles.
Make some noise for the elder. Make some noise. Well, yes. Are you ready? Watch it. Say, come with me. My pop, pop. All ladies, make some noise. Yeah, yes. Here I come to throw it down. Little John. Say, come with me, my love, to the sea of love. Say,
I wanna tell you
how much I love you. Yeah. Do you remember the time we met? Baby, baby, how could I forget?
I wanna tell you
How much I love you. Yeah, I want you to come with me into the sea and of love. Do you remember the time we met? Oh, now, baby, how could I forget?
I wanna tell you
How much I love you. Yeah. Leroy Wilson said, you're trying to conquer me. Pull! Yes, I. Hear this. Black people, poor people song. Married daughter, them pick up for themselves. Watch it. Isn't it strange how princesses and kings pop up, Babylon wrap up. Yeah, 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 yeah. La 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 la. Leroy sing. Hey. Now isn't it strange how princesses and kings and clown just kept in sawdust ring, just while common people like you and me be builders for eternity. Each is given a bag of tools, a shapeless mess, and a book of rules. Look when the rain come falling from the sky, I know the sun will be only missing for a while. I sing, common people like you and me will be builders for eternity. Each is given a bag of tools, a shapeless mess, and a book of rules. Sing, people. Power, 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 power. Pull up. Yes, my heart full up. Watch it. Yes. Come on. Rock. Hey. Rock steady. Listen. You were my very first girl. Why it's when you're young? Oh. Yeah, baby. Listen. Now you You were my very first girl. I love you more than anything in this whole world. Sing it. Why did you
Leave me
to cry? Oh, my baby. At times that I passed you by, now you could see teardrops rolling down my eye. Tell me, why did you leave me to cry? Now, I wanted you to be my bride, and forever you would stay by my side. Your turn.
Why did you leave me
To cry. Now I'm so lonely. Oh no, I'm so all alone, and I've got no one to call my very own. Tell me, why did you leave me to cry? I'm gonna cry, baby. Why did you leave me? Oh, baby. And I don't wanna cry. Papa. Every people, you don't know it's a freedom of our thing. And that's where I work for. Watch it. Every man has an equal right to live. Original dancehall Thursday. You don't know. Them can't stop with them try. Say every man has an equal right to live and be free, no matter what color, class, or race he may be. Treat him right, Lord, and oh, treat him good. Take a tip from me, don't hang him on a tree. Never give against another man, 'cause every man has an equal right. I'm gonna hand them blow some on.
no matter?
Next job, quickly. Enough you there. Are you ready? Say whoa, yeah. Till they will live. We're having a party tonight. Pull up. Are you ready? Come now. Nadine. She's one of them dancehall queen. Yes, Miss Garvey. We're having a party tonight. Yes, where everything will be alright. Yes, my sister. So come on, everyone. Yes, come on. It's time that we should have some fun. We've got to
Live some life.
hands in the air before we're old. So we've got to live some life before we're cold. Now time is short, so hear me, man. Let's live the life the best we can. Don't try to work your soul away. No, no, no. Remember, there's another day. Sing, we've got to
Live some life.
watch out. African style.
We've got
Pierce it for me. Yes. Yes. I'm going to sing a foreign tune for no one or two. I kind of know. Yeah, listen. When I'm alone and I need someone to talk to, I talk to your picture. Thursday night, you don't know. Yeah, yeah, yes. Yeah, yeah. No, time is short, so hear me, man. Let's live the life the best we can. Don't try to work your soul away. No, no. Remember, there's another day. So we got to live some life before we're old. Next year.
Some life.
Oh, you mean? Hey, hold it, hold it, hold it. How much singer come up with them backup singers? Oh, yeah, I saw me stay, you know. On a boat, see, I just how the thing go. Show business. And we are show business. Little John. Oh, you mean? Them can't stop we no matter how them try. Long time them try to make us die. But oh, watch it. We've got to fight it, yeah, with the help of the Lord. Yeah, 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 yeah. We'll fight it to the top. We not gonna stop. We're gonna fight it, yeah, with the help of the Lord. We're gonna fight it to the top. We're gonna fight without fear. Lord, we've got to get there. We're gonna fight it to the top. Yes. The idea at times get old. Yeah, 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 yeah. We're gonna fight it, and step by step we'll reach the goal. And we're gonna hold this thing, then we will laugh and sing. We're gonna fight it to the we'll never stop. One love, take care of yourself, protect yourself, bless up on yourself.
Yo, not talk about one more. Move to the bar. Him not gone away. Support the bar and support the kitchen. If you not go to the bar, him, hey, man on that, you know. Leroy, hey, I hear me mature Mondays, yes, every Monday. Nice, see? Sibbles, don't go away, no Sibbles. Just go. Oh, no, man. Remember, sir, yeah, all right, go on, Bill. See? Yo!
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.